I have a cup of water already in here. So to the 1 cup of water, I'm gonna add 2 sticks of cinnamon, and then also 1 cup of brown sugar. Put all that in there. Start. This should be on medium-low, and then start stirring that in. Once it starts to boil, then it's all done. We don't want to boil it for too much. We just want to bring it to a boil, stop it, and then let it sit there for around 10 minutes. After around 10 to 15 minutes, it should be at room temperature and it's ready to be used.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.